Now that you've done some marketing and have leads, it's time to close. Closing your first 2 to 5 deals may seem like an impossible task, but you can do it, and I'll show you how. If you follow this 3-part approach, it will cut the time to your sales probably by half. 1, go out and sell as soon as you can. 2, don't be picky about the clients you're willing to work with. And 3, be flexible with pricing. Now, let's talk about the first point. Go out and sell as soon as you can. Some early stage founders spend months thinking, researching, benchmarking, and packaging their service without going out and selling. Then, when they actually go out and start networking, marketing, and selling, they're shocked at how off the mark they are. I'm not saying strategies don't matter or you shouldn't do your due diligence or put together a basic business plan. I'm saying you should not spend tons of time on planning and strategizing. As soon as possible, I want you to start marketing, pitching, and closing deals. You can iterate on your offering based on real feedback from the real people you are trying to sell to. Now on to the second point. Don't be picky about the clients you're willing to work with. New business owners usually have a specific image of who they want to work with and what they want to work on. They want that corporate client with an office by the seashore. But the ideal project with the ideal client might be months or years away. This is not the time to be picky about your leads, even if you don't like how they dress. Just working and gaining experience, even if the circumstances aren't ideal, is infinitely better than sitting at your desk waiting for the perfect client. If you find a lead who seems open to buying, but say it requires you to visit their office once a week, or wants you to send daily updates, or whatever unreasonable expectation they may have, close the deal and endure it. You can start to get pickier with clients once you're more established. For now, I want you to do more reps and build that sales muscle. So let's talk about the third point. Be flexible with pricing. The beauty of selling services as opposed to products is that you can more easily charge different clients different prices for the same service. While you might have an ideal hourly rate or service fee, you don't have to apply it equally to every lead that comes your way. You can change your prices based on how valuable the service is to the lead, how desperately you need a client, or how the market is doing, among other factors. This is true both for established service businesses and for new businesses. Flexibility in pricing is essential. You might be thinking of a certain average hourly rate, but in the beginning, you don't even really know how long the service will take you to deliver. Once you've had the chance to provide your service, you'll have a much better idea about the hours required for delivery and the pricing that will make you profitable. Hopefully, you'll also start developing some success stories that will help you raise your rates with future clients. But to recap, when starting out, just 1, get out and sell. 2, don't be picky about clients. And 3, stay flexible with your prices. See you next time and go out and sell.